Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lobster fish. First, select live lobsters, ideally weighing between 1¼ and 2 pounds each, ensuring they are active and healthy. Next, gather your essential cooking tools, including a very large pot, sturdy tongs, and a sharp chef's knife. These initial steps are crucial for a successful and flavorful meal. Now, let's explore the most popular cooking methods. Boiling is quick. Immerse your lobsters in heavily salted water for about 8 to 12 minutes per pound. Steaming is another excellent option, taking 10 to 15 minutes per pound, which helps retain more of the lobster's natural sweetness. For a smoky twist, try grilling split lobsters, cooking them 5 to 7 minutes per side. Knowing when your lobster is perfectly cooked is key. The shell will turn a vibrant, bright red, and the meat inside will become firm and opaque. For precision, an instant read thermometer inserted into the thickest part of the tail should register 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, use a sturdy cracker and a small fork to expertly extract the tender, sweet meat from the claws and tail. Finally, it's time to enjoy your culinary masterpiece. Serve your warm, succulent lobster immediately with small bowls of melted unsalted butter and fresh lemon wedges for dipping. A simple side salad or some roasted asparagus makes a wonderful accompaniment, allowing the lobster's natural flavors to shine. Savor every bite of this luxurious and delicious seafood dish you've expertly prepared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.